telling what these pressure plates do. This one seems to open this. So we have some extra bricks here, so let's just put our shield back on. We almost have another weapon level. I like those.
No fool ever lived could best judgment. No fool ever lived could best judgment.
Oh. Hello? Oh, see? Here it opens. Opens the door right there. So. Doink. Okay, where to next? Let's get out of this place. Run, 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 run! Still not sure what these do. Oops. No, no, no. Come on, let's go. No, not that way. I hate these. There we go. No, that got me turned around again. Damn it. Huh. See here? Okay. That's all it was? Just step on the pressure plate one time. That was a very annoying puzzle. Whatever it was. Step around those spikes. Real quick, I want to go hit this. Hit the switch. Ouch. Okay, we don't have very many other areas to go to. Could go over here, over here. Actually, first, I think I'm gonna go this way. Okay. No. This way. Yes. And first of all, need to put our disc away with the other disc. And I'm going to take a step outside for a minute. I know it's around here somewhere. Here. Right here. Where is he? There he is.
Hold there, little man.
Hold what? I have a pouch. You want stuff?
I want to know who you are. What are you doing here?
Not your business. Now, what do you want to hold?
What could you have that I might want?
Well, lots of things. Pretty stuff, good stuff, let me tell you. Cost you a gold coin to find out.
Oh my god, it's a shop.
I'll take the risk. Whatever you have, it better be worth a gold coin. Here you are.
Oh, and a lovely coin it is. Lovely. Wait, I have just the thing.
Okay, give me a rune thing.
I'll take the risk. Whatever you have, it better be worth a gold.
Oh, and a...
Give me some sort of necklace.
I'll take the...
Oh,
Soul Link
I'll take...
figurine.
oh,
Ooh, that's nice.
I'll take...
oh,
And piece of paper.
oh my. May I...
No. An excellent trade. Certainly worth a gold coin. Thank you.
Nice.
I cannot say I've enjoyed doing business with you, but goodbye seems like a good idea.
What is this? Roaring Column of Lightning Wild. Nice. Also, we gotta use this. 8 hit points. Very cool. And Amulet of Stamina. Boring. Let's go back to the barrier. No, the barrier, not this bridge. Okay, we gotta go the other way out from this abandoned building. I really don't like the map system in this. Okay, back into the fortress. Let's just put our stuff in here. Good enough. Okay, next I might want to go up here. So let's check it out. Ugh.
No fool ever lived. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay. It's nice to hit him every once in a while. What'd that do? We'll never know. Run! Oh my god!
No fool
Ah.
I live with that.